Hello, my name is Awesome. You can call me Keithy. Anyway, stop touching me, you ugly human. Stop. Anyways, this is my channel. Everybody needs to subscribe to my channel. If you do not subscribe, you just cruel to cats. And you're a cat hater, and you're going to go to cat jail. Sorry, I'm trying to run away from my camera. Okay, so anyways, you go to cat jail. They're going to feed you litter box. And if you don't eat your litter box, then you go in cat prison. And if you go to cat prison, they're going to feed you cat poop. So do you want to eat the litter box or the cat poop? Now, if you get refused to like cats again, then you better change your spot. And if you're allergic to cats, I'm allergic to you. Achoo! 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 I'm allergic to you because you don't like cats, because you're allergic to cats. Okay, it's almost time for my nap, my cat naps. And I need some catnip right now. Human! Human! Yeah. I need you to give me my tuna and my catnip and my wet cat food. Okay. Okay, while my human does that, I'm gonna exit out my channel. Well, meow, bye, guys. See y'all on the next YouTube video. Meowsers. See you later.